Hi everyone, how are you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to tie miniature rose button knot. It's really easy, so here we go. I've got the cord, I found the middle, bent it in half, and then you wrap your left hand cord around and behind your right hand cord. So you end up with something like that. Now you get your other cord, bring it behind everything, poke it through that hole. So behind everything, poke it through the hole like that. Then what you do, don't tighten it all up, but what you do now is grab the loop, flip it over, and as you can see, we've got a bit of a figure of 8 going on with 2 X's in the middle, like that. So all I'm going to do is get the ends and poke them up through the middle of the knot. That's one side. Get the other end. Poke it up through the middle of the knot, like that. And pull everything together. And then you just kind of pull and squidge everything together like that until you get something that looks like that. See? Then all you do, snip and singe, and you've got your miniature rose button knot. Now, I do it this way because I always use these as the button for my bracelets, for a ball and loop. So there's a snake knot, which I was doing. And there's one I've done earlier. This is your miniature rose button knot for the ball and loop. Now I like using these because one, they're smaller than the 2-strand diamond knot, and they're a whole lot easier to tie as well. So there you go. That is your miniature rose button knot. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, do all the things, and I will see you on the next one. Okay, bye.